feel bad.
What are we having for dinner tonight?
Baguettes and cheese or both or tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. What are you having, Grandma?
Avocado bread and tomato sauce for dipping it in.
Oh, yum. And we're having some greens.
Green salad.
What do you got there, buddy?
Food.
What kind of food do you eat today?
Food that you can eat. Kind of food.
Is it pretty good?
Yeah, it tastes like food.
Oh, I'm glad you like food. That's a lot of pickled asparagus. You gonna turn into a pickle?
Asparagus?
You're already green.
I'll turn into a food.
Okay. Do you like pickled asparagus?
It's kind of cold.
It was in the refrigerator. I got a dollop of Grandma's vegan cheese. Made with potatoes, sweet potatoes?
Carrots.
Just potatoes and carrots and what?
Onions, nutritional yeast,
There's onions in this. Still yum.
salt and pepper.
Yum. It's so good.
Yeah, there's onions in this.
We gotta start adding some jalapenos to it and having spicy cheese.
And
Nacho cheese.
Yum.
And onions. What?